Harambee. Eti Embakasi mnasema nini?
Rwimbo ruma o rumwe one time na kimunene wa kwaya moima atongoria mung'ethaniro magitongoria mutongoria wa DCP Rigathi Gachagua, Fred Matiang'i wa Jubilee, Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper gatagatĩ ka atongoria angi makiro makeni kugereria Ruto nginya aremwo nĩ gũikarĩra giti.
Hii mjamaa tumeweka kwa kona.
Marikarithiini wa PCA utawala atongoria nĩ moririe mũingĩ kwaga hahũro yothe amugutire githurano makareka kiyo. Dr. Fred Matiang'i akiuga rĩrĩa arĩ minister wa githomo ahingire mathenya mothe ma ũici wa kigeranio na uguo ndakahuthio nĩ mũndũ.
Kalonzo amefunga Ukambani, amefunga Pwani, si ndio? Kesho tunaenda na Matiang'i kufunga Gusii na Kuria na Nyanza, si ndio? Eugene Wamalwa na Tebea na Sifuna wamefunga Magharibi, si ndio? Si Nairobi mmefunga? Na Mulima? Yeah?
Chukua kura, piga kura, linda kura yako. Vile tutalinda, tutaambiliana huko nje. Lakini hakuna mtu tutaruhusia kuimba kura zetu.
So when we say you will not steal, Fred and my sister there, this is what we mean. There must be open recruitment of the new CEO wa IEBC.
Nililinda mtihani na haikuibiwa. Utaiba kura zetu.
Nimeranire gutigirira ni mathambia kamĩtĩ mihaka IEBC makiranira gutigirira mutaratara wa gucagura murugamiri munene wa kamĩtĩ iyo no watwarithio na mbere uria kwagiriire.
Hatuwezi kukubali viparanga hiyo ya computer. And the number one thing, mmetoa Marjan. Mumeruka watu wawili qualified deputy CEOs. All right? Mukachukua director Kotso Nkuli ambaye tunajua katika petition zetu that is a person who should not be allowed to take over as a CEO of IEBC.
Maroigo tongoria wa Ruto nĩ wĩirĩtie andũ ngoro wati ona marari gwaretekerio kuinikirite na rimwe niki inde makoria mbeũ njĩthĩ kuoya kura niguo makamuinukia na njĩra ya gatiba.
And people are saying even this advantage you are giving William Ruto ya one term, we are being very generous. The country cannot wait. Kuendelea watoto is not enough kwamba jinsi waliuawa.
We are headed the wrong direction. Na hiyo wrong direction wakubwa wa serikali mtaiona nyinyi wenyewe karibuni. When you see the anger and the resistance and the pain that we saw yesterday, if I was in the security sector today, I would be very worried. Wananchi wamefika mahali, they are determined to face the tear gas, face the bullet and make a point.
Kalonzo Musyoka nĩ oritie gwĩkwo thuthuria wa kĩrĩa kĩarĩire Raila Odinga akiuga Kenya matiganĩire na ũhoro wa gĩkuũ gĩake. Ndeto ĩrĩa ĩrarahũrirwo mũthenya wa ira nĩ Governor James Orengo akiuga Raila nĩ kũragwo oragirwo.
Kenyans have a lot of unanswered questions about how our late brother Raila Amolo Odinga left us. They have a lot of questions. And so Jim was very categorical. Alisema Raila aliuawa. In order to deal with that lingering issue, na tukiwa mbele ya congregation hii and before the presence of God himself, I would want to suggest pawe na thorough inquest so that Kenyans can know the truth.
Ũteti ũgĩthiĩ na mbere kũhiũhia ciande bũrũri-inĩ mwena wa mũng'ethanĩro makĩranĩra gũtwara mĩcemanio yao mwena wa Kisii matongoretio ni Dr. Fred Matiang'i kwambĩrĩria mũthenya wa rũciũ.
Taka tukipata serikali tufukuze mnyama anaitwa SHA, turegeshe NHIF na tuirekebishe.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, Njĩtagwo Maina, Kĩhumo.